Testing. Okay, it looks like we are live now. Yeah, okay, we're good. So these are your daily Bitcoin and cryptocurrency news updates. Thank you for tuning in. Bitcoin's current price is $57,800. We are down almost 1% on the day, largely red for the top six coins. Tether not really counted, top five, I guess. Tether not really counted in there because it is a stable coin, so it's always supposed to be about $1. Looking over at the fair value of Bitcoin today, keep in mind it was around 57, 58. We are at 52.9. So Bitcoin's a little bit overvalued as of right now based on the stock to flow model. So this could be a bit of an indicator that we're valued a little higher than we should be. And over on cycle repeat, we are looking at an after halving top, according to their calculations, of 613,000, which is above that upper end we had predicted of 400K earlier last spring, actually. So it's been about a year since then, and I think that this is a little bit higher than we should expect. So it looks like we are a bit ahead of where we may want to be in a cycle like this normally. We could be looking, however, at a double top, similar to what we saw in 2013, where if Bitcoin over the next month or so, till April, through to April, just takes off in price, we could see a pretty major pullback. So keep that in mind if you are investing and planning on holding for the longer term. That is something to watch out for. On our market cap, Bitcoin dominance, we are currently at 61%. Not too much change over the past several weeks. It's been around this level since early February, so not too many shifts there. We do want to keep an eye out on this just because it indicates to us when the money is going to be flowing from Bitcoin into other altcoins. So that's something you want to watch out for. Over on Bitcoin treasuries, we are currently up 0.01% for treasuries of publicly traded companies. So I don't remember specifically what number it was. You can check the video from yesterday. But the current value is $780.9 billion worth of Bitcoin is stored in the treasuries of publicly traded companies, and they currently own 6.51% of the total Bitcoin supply. And keep in mind, this is just publicly traded companies that have to report. Private companies do not have such reporting requirements, so we don't actually know how much Bitcoin is being held by big major institutional players on this front. Over on Buy Bitcoin Worldwide, we do currently have 2,342,000 Bitcoin left to be mined, and 900 new Bitcoin are being mined every day. A nice flat number here for the first time in a little while, so that's neat. Okay, so bullish and bearish indicators. Our unrealized profit loss is currently at 72%, which is a good sign. We've got about 2% more before we hit the 75 warning area, and typically once we get to 74 or so, we do have a bit of a pullback. So we are still in bullish territory. We could be entering bearish territory soon, and that is to say things are looking good. Bitcoin go up in the near term, but once we hit that 75% level, things are not looking as good, and Bitcoin go down in layman's terms. So keep that in mind. This indicator, while it has been accurate historically, may not be so accurate for technical reasons moving forward, but more for psychological reasons. Because this is something that almost everyone uses as an indicator, it is potentially going to become a self-fulfilling prophecy where people see it getting near that danger zone and then start pulling out. So if you are investing, do keep this in mind. Over on the Pi cycle top indicator, we do still have bullish behavior. This one, historically, when the orange line crosses green, has indicated the end of a bull run to within a 3-day accuracy. So this is another one, not quite as popular as the net unrealized profit loss, but still fairly popular, and a lot of people are probably going to be watching this one as well. So keep that in mind if you are investing. So that's pretty much it for the Bitcoin updates. Not too much to report here today. I will be working on a report on, right now we're looking at ADA, Cardano, and CRO. There is some news coming out with CRO, potential cross exchange listings, and some potentially bullish news. And ADA was just listed on Coinbase, I believe it was. So their price has been going up quite a bit. ADA, that is Cardano, of course. So I'm going to be looking over those and writing up a report. So stay tuned for that. It will be found at the link in my bio and on my about page on YouTube. So if that interests you, take a look. I will post a video about it once I'm completed with that. So that pretty much wraps us up for today. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm if you got some value. If you want to continue receiving updates or getting videos from me, then hit that subscribe button and select the bell button, hit notifications and all. And I look forward